wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I don't have a watch review for you today, but I do have some pretty exciting news that many of y'all probably already know about. The Seiko 5 line is back. Seiko has dropped 27 new models, guys. That is a lot of watches. And the rumor is that the SKX is going away. So Seiko said, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and dump 27 brand new Seiko 5 models. Really, really cool. Some of these watches are absolutely fantastic looking. So what we're gonna do is I'm basically gonna head on over to the Seiko website. We're gonna take a look at all of these different dial and bracelet and strap options and kind of give you a sense of what to expect. There's no date on when these are gonna drop. I have absolutely no idea. I'm guessing probably in the fall. That's just my guess. If any of y'all know a specific date, please let us know. But some of these watches are really good looking. So you've got 5 different lines, okay? You've got the sports style, which looks like it has 11 different models, including a blue dial version, a blue dial with a Pepsi bezel, an orange dial with a black and yellow bezel. It looks like they even have a Hulk version, which is a green dial and a green bezel, and all black with some gold accents on the bezel, a Hulk with a green dial and a green bezel, and kind of yellow gold accents on the indexes, and all IP coated black. So there are 11 different dial colors and bracelet and strap options in just the sports style alone. Then you go over to the suits style. Now the suits style looks like 8 different dial options, including kind of like a cream color, which I really like. I'm not crazy about these mesh straps. I never have been, but they're okay looking. But these are supposed to be a little dressier. They do have one on a black, looks like a rubber strap with the blue dial, blue bezel, and cream color indexes. It looks really nice, by the way. And all of these I'll be putting up on the screen, and I've already put them up on the screen, so you should see what I'm talking about here. They've also got a black dial, cream indexes, black bezel, rubber strap. Then you go to the specialist style. There's only 3 versions there: black dial, black bezel, black strap. Then they have another one where the case, it looks like it's been IP coated, and that's kind of like a dark gray. Then you have a gold version. And then you look at the street style. These are all basically blacked out, and one is totally black, and then the other 2, one is blue indexes, blue bezel, and then red indexes, red bezel. Okay. Then you have the Sense style, which I think are really interesting, and I wish they had done the Sense style on some of the sports models. The Sense style has textured dials, which are really cool. They have a red, kind of actually like a burgundy, and then they have like a Hulk, a green, but I love that textured dial. Really cool. They even have accented second hands. The red or the burgundy has like a kind of like a teal colored accented second hand, and the green has an orange accented second hand. So the specs for these things, they're not divers. They're not meant to be divers. If you notice, there's no luminous pip at the 12 o'clock index on the bezel. These are only going to be 100 meters water resistant. But the cool thing is that they have the 4R36 movement, which is winding and hacking, as opposed to the 7S26. So, it's really cool to see Seiko dropping all of these different watches, man. This is a ton of models. They've also got the new Arnie's coming out, and I think in September. So Seiko's really gearing up to put out a lot of new watches, man. If you notice on these watches, if you notice on the dial, the automatic, the font that they're using, I think is the same font they used on the first generation Seiko Sumo, that automatic font. You got the lollipop second hand, the oversized minute hand. I love the indexes. Most of them have a nice chrome bezel around them. Probably my favorite is the blue dial with the blue bezel on stainless steel. That is one fantastic looking watch. Those indexers are highly polished. Of course, you're going to get, Seiko LumiBrite. Again, the 4R36 movement. I like these watches, man. They are really, really nice looking watches, man. So again, not sure when they're going to come out. Not sure of the pricing. Let me see if I can find any pricing information for you. They're saying in Europe the prices are between 280 to 340 euros. What else? Again, Hardlex crystal, 100 meters water resistant, which is 330 feet. Looks like the case dimensions are 42.5 millimeters, 13.4 millimeters thick. You do have display case backs, see-through case backs on these. You're going to get your choice of silicone straps, calfskin straps, stainless steel bracelets. You get PVD or like a black hard coating on some of those. So, you know, guys, I can't wait till these come out. So anyway, guys, I want to let y'all know a whole bunch of the other watch review sites are putting this information out there. Of course, I wanted to let y'all know as well. Again, no determination on when these are going to actually be released. But, just keep an eye out. I'm guessing, again, they're probably going to be released the same time that the new Arnie's are. So anyway, guys, that's been about it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. And until the next review, I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.